Hello, CLET aspirants. First thing is that due to some reason I'm not able to upload the video on the daily basis, but I can try my best. So now start. In this video, we are discussing with legal reasoning section. It contains 35 to 39 questions. The syllabus CLET Consortium gave us, and also what CLET Consortium wants from the CLET aspirants is that they have ability to identify and infer rules and principles from passage, and also have ability to applications of rules and principles, and how they can understand rules and principles may alter their application to various facts. And in my words, what are the ability you want to comprehend that passage, that legal passage, in minimum time is you have to know some basics of law, you have to familiar with the current court decisions, and you are able to apply those principles in hypothetical situations, and you also familiar with some legal vocabs, so you can able to make very easy for you. And the source I can prefer you for the CLAT, for legal reasoning. This for the basics of law you can go for LA and LR, AP Bharadwaj. If you have not any coaching material, so you go with it. And for legal vocab, you find many of the online resources, and if you can't able to find out that, you can tell me, I can provide you. And for practice, you can go for last year exams, last year questions. You can also do ALET questions and CLAT questions, because that gave a clear idea how the question are asking and how the rules and principles you are applying in the questions, and how critically you can find out the answer. And for the current scenario, like the current court decisions are going on, how the questions are asking on that basis, so you can join any of the CLAT test series, you can do from there. Okay. Now if we see last year questions, so what we get from there? See, in 2020, which type of question CLAT Consortium gave us is like, they gave us current situations and connect those situations from the statics and gave question. Most of question in 2020 are from the current scenarios, but in 2021, this is not the case. In 2021, CLAT Consortium asked from more static part. So if those who are preparing for ALET and other law exams, they do it more easily, but who those are only preparing for CLAT, they find it more difficult, because they only prefer current court decisions and current legal news. That's why. But you can see in 2020, they ask from the contract. Most of the part that I found, this is from the contract. You can see consent, and if you have some basics knowledge, so you can do it very easily. This is from my side, but if you want also basics of law, so I can also make another series on it as per your demand. And I also make another series on how you take mock and which test series you can take, how you can use them. So for this video, this is done. Okay, मिलते हैं next video में.